Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and welcome to Monday. Hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. An open collab hosted by our friends Tree at Tree Craft On and Kathy at Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Guys, anyone can join, and I hope you do, because I've been getting lots of inspiration, as I'm sure many people have, and you can do die cuts like, you know, your Thinlits or your other dies. You can use your Silhouette or your Cricut or any kind of die cutting you want to do, and then you can show us how you used what you die cut, or you can do a project share, you can do a tutorial, anything you want to do, and it's just open, an open collab. So thank you Tree and thank you Kathy for hosting. Guys, today is a green edition, St. Patrick's Day edition. So I used my Cricut because that's one of my goals, which I haven't shared my goals. Oh my gosh, it's already March and I haven't shared with you my 2022 goals yet, crafty goals, but that's still on my list of videos to make. I'm still going to do that. So I saw this in Cricut. I just typed in hearts and shamrocks, I think, because I like hearts and shamrocks. And then it came out with this. Isn't this cute? It was a little tricky to take the black off after it was, after it came off, but I like that look, the way it just kind of, you know, it's not perfect. It's just kind of, you know, there, and maybe there are some little pieces still left in, and that's okay with me. And then the shamrock you cut separately. So these were all cut first and then this cut second. Cut it out the size to fit so I could use them on a card. And so I think I cut out, I don't know how many I cut out, 8 or so. And then I had this paper, I think it's one of those Michael's maybe Recollections or something, but and so I had this paper, I cut that out, just used a white card base, and then I just glued it on just like that, and then I just put a sentiment right there, be strong and courageous. So, and then on the inside, I just made a kit that has the paper and then a couple of the black hearts and then a couple of the shamrocks, and then I added in just some shaker in there so they can do what they want with it. So I thought that was fun. That's one thing I die cut. And then the second thing I die cut were these little flowers. I'm not a flower maker, guys, but I love when people have sent me flowers, and I love that people bake so many rolled, like Gloria Crafts and More makes rolled paper flowers, and so many people make such beautiful flowers. So I thought, you know what, Kim, try it. So I found this on Cricut Design Space. So I cut them out in yellow and green. I layered them on top of each other, and then I just put that little green gemmy in the middle. So I made several of those, and then I thought this was kind of fun, guys. I punched out the flowers, right? I was left with a whole bunch of these shapes on the paper, so I cut them out. Look at that. Doesn't that kind of just look like a lime or the center of a lemon? I think these are fun. So I cut them out, and I'm going to use them. I actually already have used them as, you know, part of a layering process. So, I mean, they're not perfectly cut or anything, but I just thought they were fun. So I got double duty out of that, flower. And then I just want to share with you what I did with some of the flowers. I'm creating a pocket letter for a swap that I'm doing on my Facebook group. And so we're creating a St. Patrick's Day pocket letter. So I used the flowers. I glued a couple right there. So I thought was fun. And then, oh, the other thing that I die cut too was the this word love with the shamrock as the O, and I did it in gold and I did it in green. You can kind of see that one that's right there. So that's all my die cutting that I've been doing the last week or so. Thank you guys for stopping by. I can't wait to go check out all of your projects to see all of the beautiful things that you guys are creating with your die cutting. You're going to have a fabulous week this week, doing things you love with people you love. Talk to you soon.